Big news that we're tracking from the south, in specific Karnataka, in what could come as yet another blow to the common man in the state. The prices at government hospitals have been increased in various parts of the state. Now, in the capital city of Bengaluru, the Victoria Hospital, Minto, Vani Vilas, the PMSSY super speciality hospitals affiliated to Bengaluru Medical College and Research Institute are now paying higher user fees for treatment, surgeries, blood tests, scans and other medical services. The increase is about 20% of these hospitals. Neha Hebale, my colleague, will help us decode this particular decision that's been taken. Neha, very good morning to you. With the past couple of weeks or months, you've looked at the number of burden that, a citizen living in Karnataka has taken in the name of, many of these increases. Now the latest is this. Why has this been done? How is this being read by, Bengalurians as well?
Well, yes, Nivedana, in fact, we're looking at a 20% rise now in the costs of, whether it's tests, whether it's admissions or, other medical procedures there that, in fact, are going to be carried out at government hospitals over here in the state of Karnataka that are, in fact, linked to the BMCRI. Now, what's of course important here is that we're picking up now that reportedly this is not really going to be applying to the BPL card holders, but only those who aren't below the poverty line. Now, more importantly, of course, talking about the hike, what we do know is that the government, in fact, has said that this is something that was long pending because many people reportedly, were taking advantage of the government hospitals, and which is why it's being brought in at this point. But the fact is that, we're looking at a substantial increase over here as far as, the special wards are concerned, or as far as the registration fee there is concerned. It's in fact, been hiked from about 10 to 20 is what we're being told. But, of course, on the whole, this increase is something that's obviously going to be pinching the common man, whether BPL or otherwise, of course, is secondary. But the fact is that on the whole, this is a price hike again, and possibly something, of course, that's going to be affecting the common man quite gravely there. We'll really have to wait and see what the impacts or the fallout of this could be in the coming days.
Right, Neha. In fact, as you pointed out, a quick follow-up question in terms of the fact like how we were initially discussing how this could be burden for anybody living in this state, because this is just one of the increases. But if you were to just decipher what we've seen in the past couple of weeks or months, there's some sort of the other of a burden that's been taken by them?
Well, yes, of course, naturally with the prices of, several other things, they're also having shot up now in the state. A big question that arises at this point is how the common man, of course, is going to be dealing with this. We'll really have to wait and see. Of course, it is a matter of time now before, this also comes into effect over there. And remember, these are hospitals that, in fact, most people there who aren't able to afford private hospitals often end up turning to. So this is obviously going to be a huge chunk of the population now across the state of Karnataka, and how this impacts them is something that we'll only find out now in the coming days. But the opposition, of course, not really sparing an opportunity now to, of course, attack the government over this issue as well.
Right, Neha. Thank you for joining us with the latest as far as that is concerned. But as far as Karnataka's Health Family Welfare Minister is concerned, Dinesh Gundu Rao has reacted on the same. Let's listen to that.
ಪರಿಷ್ಕರಣೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಕೆಲವು ಯೂಸರ್ ಫೀಸ್ ಏನಿರ್ತದೆ ಅದು ಭಾಳ ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಹಿಂದೆ ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ಆಗಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಅದನ್ನೇನಾದರೂ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಕೆಲವು ಕಡೆ 10%, 20% ಈ ಥರ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ, ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಗಿದ್ದು ಈಗ 10 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಇರೋದನ್ನು 20 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಮಾಡೋದು, 20 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಇರೋದನ್ನು 50 ರೂಪಾಯಿ, 40 ರೂಪಾಯಿ. ಅದರಿಂದ ಆವಾಗಿನ ರೇಟ್ಗಳೇನಿತ್ತು ಇವಾಗಿನ ಒಂದು ರೇಟ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಹೋಲಿಕೆ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಆದರೆ ಜನರಿಗೂ ಭಾರ ಅಂತ ಏನಲ್ಲ, ಆದರೆ ಒಂದು ಕನಿಷ್ಠ ಏನು ಆ ಯೂಸರ್ ಚಾರ್ಜಸ್ ಏನಿರ್ತದೆ ಅದು ಒಂದು ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ಒಂದು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಅದು ಹೊರೆ ಆಗದೇ ಇರೋಂಥ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲೇ ಇರುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಅದರಿಂದ ನನಗೆ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ ಇದೇನು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಏನು ವಿಷಯ ಏನಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು ನೋಡಿದೆ ಕೆಲವು ಕಡೆ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಮತ್ತು ಇನ್ನೊಂದೇನಾಗಿದೆ, ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಏನೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಇವತ್ತು ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟಿ ಸ್ಕೀಮಿಂದ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದು ನನಗೇನು ಅರ್ಥನೇ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾವೇನು ಏನೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಇವತ್ತು ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟಿ ಸ್ಕೀಮ್ ದುಡ್ಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ. ಪರಿಷ್ಕರಣೆ ಹಿಂದೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ವಾಟರ್ ಬಿಲ್ಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ವ, ವಾಟರ್ ರೇಟ್ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ವ, ಕರೆಂಟ್ ರೇಟ್ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ವ, ಈ ಮತ್ತು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆದೆಲ್ಲ ಹಿಂದಿನ ಸರ್ಕಾರಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಈ ಹೋಲಿಕೆ ಇದು ಅನಾವಶ್ಯಕ. ಇದು ಭಾಳ ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಹಿಂದೆ ಇದ್ದಂಥ ಒಂದು ಏನು ರೇಟ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅದನ್ನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.